We're going to be looking at how to use iMovie in a basic sense. iMovie will be down here in your dock with a little star on it. Otherwise, you'll have to go to the hard drive, Applications, and scroll down till you see it. Once you're in iMovie, you're going to see presented with a couple of options. You may see a video that had been previously worked on. More than likely, though, you'll see your project library empty back here. I have several projects. This is from the videos that I've been working on with you guys. Down here is where your clips are. You should see none here except for maybe a standard one. Let's get into we're going to edit and create our video. So, first click the little plus down here. Title your project. We're going to title this one Animal Project. And set the aspect ratio to standard. Otherwise, if it's in widescreen, it's going to take up too much information. Click Create. Now this is where your actual movie is, up in here. Down here is what you can use to edit and splice with, depending. For example, if we wanted to go into bringing in a video from, say, a downloaded YouTube or a downloaded archive video, we would go to File, Import, Movies. Let's say I wanted to import something I've already downloaded before. Let's try someone's project here, the Rube Goldberg. Won't let me do it. I'll limit my downloads. Here we go. Let's say I want to import the solar flare video. Double click. It'll think about it, and it'll pop up down in your area. Make sure that when you import a video, however, that you're creating a new one so you can keep track of it. So for example, instead of adding to an existing event, create a new event. Sun stuff. Once again, I'll pick the solar flare. Process, import, and then it's there. Now adding it to your feature film, you simply move the mouse, click where you want to start, and drag to where you want it to stop. You'll see the little second timer as you do so. Then click in the middle, drag it up, and ta-da, you now have it as a feature film. If you were to click play in the corner here, you would see exactly what it looks like as a film. To get out of it, just hit escape. That's kind of some of the basic stuff with iMovie. Some other things you may want to consider is if you want to add pictures. You'd have to download the picture, click here, and make sure that it's in iPhoto. In order to put an image into iPhoto, I'll show you what to do. First, go to your iPhoto application. Then, in the file, go to Import to Library. Click on the image you'd want to import. Let's do this person. It'll then be here. It'll now sit in kind of this in-between place. What you need to do is create a folder down here for it to pop up in. So let's say I wanted to create a new album, Animal Picture. I would then click and drag it there just to make sure it's gone in. Close out. Give it a couple seconds as iMovie has to talk to iPhoto. When you click down here, you'll see the animal picture folder pop up. There's our guy. Click, drag, and now it's part of our video. For example, playing over here in this corner. And then, ta-da, our photo. You can do this for your project slides as well as many others. Keynote slides can be imported into this, as well as creating your own text slides, which would be right here. For Keynote slides, what you're going to want to do is in Keynote, start a project, and when you're done and ready to have it exported into photos, You'll then go into Share, Export, Images, and export it onto the computer. Then all it has to be a matter of is just using iPhoto in order to put it there. That's some of the standard stuff into iMovie in terms of adding images. Really quickly, to add audio, here's how you do it. Click the voiceover mic, set your mic where you want it to be, right here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Now watch what happens when I hit play on our thing. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. That purple part represents the vocal part that you had for it. That's the basics for iMovie. I'll be showing you how to do some more advanced stuff tomorrow. Have a good night.